Hello everyone, this is Shrutoshini. I welcome you all to my channel Light of Life with Shrutoshini. Before starting the video, I would request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notifications about my new uploads, and also if you like the video, please like, comment and share. Don't know how this world works. Here the bad people get opportunities and the good ones get cheated by others. You will face hardships to live this life, otherwise after your death you don't even feel the burn also. A relationship cannot be expressed. A relationship should be nourished. It can be a distant relationship or a close relationship. You should give time to a beautiful relationship. A true relationship can never be built by a false promise. If you feel that the reason of all your problems or all your anxieties is others, then your problems and anxieties will never decrease. Those who do not have the idea of self-worth, this world loot them very easily. The math of love is very simple. Here if one goes away from two, then nothing survives. Those relations in which the responsibility to manage everything lies on one person have greater chances to break. Do not expect so much from someone that if the expectations break, then it can break you. I also went on search for love by getting irritated towards silence, but the love that I got went away by making me more silent. Walk till the way that you can see. You will see the way further once you reach there. Make yourself so busy in life that you do not get the time to be upset. Laugh and see this world. You will see that the world is very colorful. If you see with wet eyes, then the mirror also looks blurry. You may have many close people in your life, but when we feel sad or upset, then nobody asks us. The day you will be able to live your life openly, that day will be the real and genuine day of your life. The others are just dates of the calendar. Your destined love and the friendship of a poor will never bluff you. If you tolerate everything keeping quiet, then you are good. But if you talk once without tolerating, then you are the worst person. It is not easy to live your life on your own terms. When we start living our lives in our own way, then that becomes an eyesore to our closed ones also. That person gains the most joy who learns the trick of how to stay happy alone. That relationship never breaks in which both the person nourishes the relationship equally and together. Somebody said something really true, that the close person will never make you cry. The people whom we consider close by mistake, they make us cry. Do bad things that much which you will be able to tolerate. That is, when the same things will happen with you, you will be able to tolerate them. There are few relationships which God ruins by Himself so that our life does not become bad. Good nature is more important than good appearance. Appearance will change by age, but good nature will never change. Good nature will be with you throughout your life. When your heart breaks, there is no treatment for that. Laughter can be fake many times. Don't see people only from above. Try to understand them. Many people gives the knowledge of simplicity, but still notice their appearances. Sometimes we choose weak and fragile thread, and then our whole life goes by tying the knots. Until and unless any trouble goes over us, we do not understand the pain of others. If possible, then never do two things in life. The first thing is loving a liar, and the second thing is do not play any ill game with a good and pure human being. If the foundation of a relationship, the root of a relationship is strong enough, then distance will never be an obstacle. Don't know at what turn this life is standing, where if you say something, then you are wrong, and if you do not say something, then also you are wrong. Few people nourishes a relationship by melting like a wax, and few people burn them like fire. Those people who does all the work from their heart, if they come in front of us, we do not see them. We turn a blind eye on them. Just make yourself this much successful so that you can fulfill all the wishes of your parents. However good human being you are, but it will never be possible that everyone will be happy about you. It will not be possible that nobody will have any complaint about you. Nowadays, relationships has become like jobs. If somebody gets a better person comparatively, then people can change it just like jobs. The person who really wants to be with you will stay with you till his or her last breath. If bad times come in your life, then work hard. And if good times come in your life, then help others during this time. When lying comes into a relationship, then you will have to understand that the relation has reached its end stage. One day, the whole world stands behind the person who has the courage to cross the path alone. The most difficult work of life is to know people. When you do not understand anything, then make yourself calm and sit in a place. Try to understand yourself first. Keep this trust that whatever you are getting in your life, that is good and deserving for you. This you may not know or understand, but God understands what you deserve. Learn to keep yourself and your head calm under any situation. If you can do that, then half of your problems will easily end. Walking continuously amongst thousands of conflicts is life. It is good to be not present there where nobody gives you any importance. Being good than what is necessary is a signal of danger because that makes you more miserable. In today's world, relationships are like sunflower. Wherever it will get benefited or luxury, it will turn that way. I don't know of what soil those people were made of who used to wait for months just for a letter from their dear ones. Today, if you do not talk for few days, people change the relationship. Never lie to that person who makes your lie their truth. Stop thinking about relationships. The person who wants to stay with you will stay. This much you must have learnt in your life, that if you start thinking about someone else's problem, then you will burn. Never be scared of being cheated on in life, because these deceits make people stronger from within. Don't make yourself and your life frustrated by losing yourself without any cause. You have destinations everywhere. You just need to find the way to reach there. Few troubles or uneasiness always stay in our lives, which do not let us live properly. And at the same time, there are few responsibilities which do not let us die also. You will get love easily in your childhood from everybody, but in your youth, you have to acquire it, and in your old age, you will have to ask for it. A relation is like a train which runs on self-interest. When somebody's station comes, then that person gets down. Always remember that you should not lose your closed ones while making the outsiders your own. Whoever comes into your life, that person goes away by giving you a new wound. I accept that I always stay strong, but I am not stone. When people's need changes, then their way of talking also changes. Just because a relation is there, that does not mean that it is a genuine relation. When you fulfill a relation, then only a genuine relationship gets created. Tears come in the eyes, you hide your troubles also. This is called life. Here you also have to love forcefully. You will have to fight to change your life. And to make your life easy, you will have to understand it first. There are conflicts in your life because you remember all those things which you should have forgotten. After listening to the video, if you like it, then please press the like button. Do not forget to comment and share with your friends.